Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It's free, I promise. And make sure that you like this video because that lets me know that you like the content that I am creating for you guys. Today I have a review for you guys on the Lenovo Tab E10, and this is what the box looks like. And it has crisp and clear 10-inch high-definition screen for video lovers, dual front speakers for a theater-like experience, and limitless fun with powerful quad-core processor and 16GB expandable storage. And this is what it looks like. And it has a mic port, as well as some volume controls. These right here are your volume controls, and this is your charging port, and this is your power button, and this right here expands your storage. It has a front-facing camera as well. Let's turn it on for you guys. And you're able to customize this to your liking. I'm doing a pattern. And this is what it looks like. These are the apps and things that I have downloaded to my tablet because I am a college student. And this is what the home screen looks like as soon as you put your code in and stuff. And I'm going to go to my settings. And it have you can add an account. It has your network and internet, your connected devices, your apps and notifications, your battery, your set. And it has an awesome sound for emails. That's what I hear when I have an email. This is my alarm. And that's for my media. And it has a 7-hour battery life, as well as a resolution of 1280 by 800, and it is a 10.1-inch screen, and it operates off of Android and Windows. And it came with preloadable software. It came with the camera, the calendar, the calculator, the contacts, the FM radio, as well as this clock right here. And it comes with Google Calendar, the weather, Google Chrome, Google Maps, Skype, and Gmail. The only reason that I purchased this is because I am a college student, and for some odd reason, my phone did not want to sync to my home internet. And I use Quizlet to study my materials and things like that as a college student. So I had to have something. So I went to Walmart and I was like, I need a tablet or something. So the representative was really nice, and he educated me on this one, and this is why I purchased this one. As soon as I got it home, I synced it to my internet at home, and I set it up, and the setup was amazing. It was a breeze. It's foolproof, I promise. I was able to connect all of my email accounts to this tablet, and let's see. Let's pull this up right here. This is what you get with this. And there's the Android Oreo. And Android Oreo is just simply a large assortment of apps. I'm sorry. And like I said, my phone did not sync to my home internet. So when I got this home, the setup was a breeze. And like I said, you're able to design this custom to your liking like I have here. And this is another home screen on it as well. And as you can see, I have YouTube because I post daily. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you hit the notification bell and you never miss another video from yours truly. I have my emails and I have the Google Play Store, and this just shows me, it shows me the time where I live and the actual weather, how cold it is outside. And I've had this for 6 months now. I got this in September 2019. Like I said, just because my phone did not want to connect to my internet, and I love it. Like I said, I purchased mine from Walmart, and you can purchase yours from Walmart, Staples, or Best Buy, and possibly Target. So let me know if you like it down in the comments. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you have this tablet. Let me know if you like this tablet. Let me know if you're even interested in getting a tablet, because us college students, lagging around a 15.6-inch laptop and charger all day on your book bag along with books is a lot. So that's another reason why I purchased this, and I love it. All of my emails comes through for me, and I play a lot of games on here when I'm trying to wind down and get my mind off of schoolwork, and I listen to a lot of classical music while I'm studying. So I will be using this tablet for my phlebotomy program, because I don't know if they're going to have, what are they, PowerPoints online for me to use. So I use that a lot for this as well, so I don't have to bring out my big laptop for small things. So let me know down in the comments whether or not you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.